Amazon's getting tougher. Here's why sellers are moving to Walmart. And the first thing is less competition, especially from China. So we can see in this article right here that American sellers have dropped below 50% nearly 2 years ago. However, Chinese sellers have grown above 50% on Amazon. So on Amazon, there's tons of Chinese competitors. And if you know Chinese competitors, they are able to do all these loopholes. They like never get caught, it seems like, just because they're able to make accounts so quickly. So once one is suspended, they can make another one and do all these black hat tactics, and everybody hates that. You can see the percent of top Amazon sellers based in China. You can see the top Amazon sellers now are in China are beating the top Amazon sellers in the USA. So again, that's going to be a big one. Part of that, another thing is that Amazon has around 9.7 million sellers globally, with 1.9 million actively selling on the platform. Walmart only has 150,000 sellers. So Walmart, there's such a low amount of competition if you do get approved to sell, which means it is very easy to get to page number 1 on Walmart. Like, it's like a no-brainer right now. Walmart's like free game. It's time to get in or get out. And number 2 is going to be less stringent rules. So if we go to Walmart, you'll notice that there's a lot of medical items on Walmart that doesn't have approval. You don't need to submit documents yet. A couple months ago, you didn't have to submit documents to sell supplements. Now they're finally rolling out something where you need to submit documents for supplements and beauty items, but there's still a lot of rules that are missing on Walmart that Amazon already has in place. So it's a great way to just get started on Walmart. There's a lot of medical devices on Amazon, and they go through an FDA verification process. On Walmart, they're not really focused on that just yet. They are growing, but there's a lot of less rules on Walmart compared to Amazon. And not even only that, we had a client that was selling Nike shoes, and they were able to get ungated just with an invoice from Target. So when you buy something on Target, even if it's from a third-party seller on Target, they do send you an invoice, and Walmart, as of right now, accepts Target's invoices. At least they accepted ours, which is pretty amazing. Now, again, Walmart is getting a little bit more strict, like they are gating categories like the beauty and personal care, like I just mentioned, supplements, beauty stuff, but it's not that crazy yet compared to Amazon. Number 3 is Walmart does have lower fees compared to Amazon. So what we do is we have this product that is sold on Amazon, and it's also selling on Walmart. We have access to both accounts, so we're able to see how much Amazon's charging compared to Walmart. Which platform's cheaper? And yes, you guessed it, Walmart's cheaper. And Walmart's cheaper on purpose because they want people to be selling on their platform. Amazon charged 15%. Walmart was charging 13.5%. Amazon FBA shipping, $8. Walmart, $7. Amazon storage fees, 87 cents. Walmart storage fees, 75 cents. And it all adds up to around $1 in savings, almost $2 actually in savings, right? But around, let's just say $1. That means if you sold 1,000 units on Amazon, you're actually paying $1,000 more. So on Walmart, you're saving $1,000. Not only that, there's no monthly fees on Walmart. On Amazon, you do have to pay $39.99 to be a professional seller. And pretty much everybody's a professional seller on Amazon if you want to actually make money. So huge, huge difference right here. And they were selling at the same exact price, but you can see right from the get, Walmart is cheaper and every dollar counts on Walmart. And last but not least is number 4, which is internal reps. It is difficult to get an internal rep at Amazon. You have to be either an extremely large seller or you have to pay an SAS rep at least $1,000 a month or more to help you on Amazon. On Walmart, it is very easy. They'll reach out to you for free because Walmart is just ready to go. So if you sell on Walmart right now, type in at Walmart. It might be in spam, but you'll notice people are reaching out to you. Do you want to run ads? Do you want to expand to Walmart Mexico? Do you want this? We've seen it happen for 90% of sellers, which is a huge amount. And you can see right here, this client got suspended. And what we did is we asked that internal Walmart rep to escalate it. And then she was like, you're reinstated. So having an internal rep makes life so much better and calms your stress, especially if it's free. Now, these Walmart reps obviously want something in return. So for example, this Walmart rep wants you to continue to run Walmart ads. So as long as you're running Walmart ads, they're willing to meet with you on a bi-weekly basis, and then they can help escalate any case issue for you. And they actually have the ability to direct message teams. I believe they use Slack, direct message teams within the organization to escalate things. So it is amazing to have that. It's like the beginning days of Amazon. So you might as well get in while you can before things start to get crazy. But right now, it's a little crazy, but compared to Amazon, not that bad. I recommend checking it out. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end or talking to your rep. We'll do it all for you, help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.